Ever noticed those double vowels in Arabic? That's Tanween. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in the pronunciation. But what exactly is it? And why does it matter? Let's break it down. Tanween is when we add an extra N sound to the end of a noun. It only happens with short vowels. And instead of dhamma, we get two dhammas. And instead of fatha, we get two fathas. And instead of kasra, we get two kasras. This changes how the word sounds, but not its meaning. Tanween usually appears at the end of indefinite nouns, words without L. How to pronounce Tanween? Think of it as adding an N sound to the end of a noun. Kitabun. Tanween with dhamma sounds like dhamma plus N. Kitaban. Tanween with fatha sounds like fatha plus N. Kitabin. Tanween with kasra sounds like kasra plus N. Can you hear that extra N at the end? Try saying them out loud. Now let's talk about when and how we use Tanween. A single word can have Tanween with dhamma, Tanween with fatha, or Tanween with kasra depending on where it appears in a sentence or the context. For example, an indefinite noun might have Tanween with dhamma when it's the subject of a sentence or standing alone. Tanween with fatha when the word is the object of a verb. Tanween with kasra when it follows a preposition or in other grammatical context. This means the same word can change its tanween depending on where it's used in the sentence or its relationship to other words. But don't worry, this is just a basic idea and you don't have to get too deep into grammar. Just remember that the position or situation of a word can affect which tanween it carries. Practice time. Let's try a few more words. قلم قلم بيتا بيتا درس درس قلم بيتا درس. Say them with me. Can you hear that N at the end? Now you know what Tanween is and how to pronounce it. Next time you see those double vowels, you will know exactly what to do. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video.